The Scenic House by JJ plus Estudio in Madrid, Spain. The Scenic House is a space designed for Alice. A domestic space that explores new housing models, advocating for the experience and enjoyment beyond the conventional limits of housing, through a non-hierarchical, flexible, and multifunctional space. In 1865, Lewis Carroll wrote about a surreal and magical world. Alice travels through a path composed of a series of fascinating and unusual architectural spaces that she encounters on her adventure in Wonderland. The Scenic House, a 125 SQM apartment in Madrid, fulfills the dreams of an acrobat who envisions a performance space, a large table for sharing, and a personal sanctuary. The intervention is clear: to equip the dwelling with a permeable and prism-like furniture piece measuring 7 by 5 meters and 2.30 meters high, designed to incorporate the pre-existing structural pillars. The beams pass intact over this piece, lacquered in RAL 5003, thus emphasizing the concept of a furnished unit and distinguishing itself from the pre-existing structure. The new central element allows for free circulation around the perimeter while it aims to surprise the visitor with its interior spaces, each with a unique aesthetic. For performance, there's a large, flexible stage, 3 by 5 meters in size, which opens fully with a folding door. For sharing, a wet room serves the large open space at the entrance of the dwelling. For refuge, a dressing room provides privacy from the bedroom circulation, with no connections between the wet spaces that precede and follow it. The circulation around the box includes the rest of the plan: kitchen, living room, bedroom, study, and connecting bathroom, as part of the peripheral circulation, deprioritizing the traditional hierarchical relationship between spaces.